This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to adjust Headlight's 2001 Dodge Ram 1500, only way. Park about 25 ft from a wall on level ground and mark headlight centers with tape. Turn on low beams and note where the bright spots hit the wall relative to your marks. Use the vertical and horizontal aim screws to align each beam so the hot spot sits slightly right of center and slightly lower than the center mark. Gather a Phillips and a flathead screwdriver, a tape measure, and masking tape before you start. A helper sitting in the driver's seat can make fine-tuning faster and more accurate. Make sure the truck has a half tank of fuel and normal load so aim reflects typical driving conditions. Clear any aftermarket bulbs or covers that might change beam pattern. Keep tools within reach and work methodically from left to right. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for long days working on trucks and greasy hands. They stay put, breathe well, and feel great under boots. Check the description for the link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. Start with low beams and ensure tires are inflated to spec and fuel load is normal. Turn the vertical screw to change height and the horizontal screw to move the beam left or right, making small adjustments and checking the wall each time. If headlight buckets are loose, snug mounting bolts before aiming. Repeat the process for both sides until both hot spots are slightly right and slightly lower than their center marks for safe road visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.